Good morning friends, here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of BSL International Services Limited. You can see on the screen the chart of the company, how the chart was basically price was moving from 300 rupees to it will go to nearly 45 rupees in 2020 fall down. But after that the price is moving in upward direction. You can see how the price again touching the 300, now again coming down to nearly the you can say 190 rupees still now, but it is a very positive sign and where you can invest in this company. Delivery, you can see the company is showing 100% delivery every time. People are buying and forgetting this kind of stock, which is a very positive sign for this company. If you see that the company is having this particular corporate action, the company is paying dividend consistently, which is a very good sign. Technically you can right now see this 184% in the 2 years, and also you can see the indicator for this company. You can see the company right now there is no indicator, but please check with your technical advisor. If you check here the overview of the company, you can see the company is from the miscellaneous activity, miscellaneous company, and you can see the price of 190 rupees, and this is the different value. If you see the profile of the company, you will see this particular company is the government to citizen services, and this company is basically providing the services like passport and other kind of documentation, and basically helping candidate to travel to abroad. And so you can see BSL partners with the 36 client government in the provision of the outsourced visa and passport, front end and citizen, consular and passport verification and attestation of e-visa services, manages the administrative and non-judgmental tasks related to these services for the diplomatic missions, enable them to focus key assessment of the visa applications, building this country. So basically this company is having a lot of different store worldwide, approximately 2500 stores. So which is very good. So you can see this particular services what the company has said: this visa processing services, citizen front-end services, consular services, e-visa services, and biometric and industrial management services. And milestone, you can see the company had received a visa application processing order from the Portugal. So lot of achievement company is having, and a lot of awards also company received, which basically is a very good company. Okay, and if you see that the company is now you can see here the company's EPS is 8.32, company's PE ratio is 22, and industry P 91, which is very good sign. Company's PE is basically less than their industry P. Book value per share is equal to 49.963, and price to book value is 3.85, which is reasonable. Number of shares floating in the market is equal to 1 crore 24 lakh 50,000, and face value 1. And this is the quarterly result of the company. As you can see that the company price is moving from 130 crore to 190 crore in last 1 year, which is very good sign. Okay, expenditure is also increasing, but after that company creating a good EBITDA, 13 crore to 27 crore, external exponential growth in the, you can say, operating margin. You can say interest, company paying very less interest, which is very positive sign. PBT is also increasing. Okay, profit is also increasing, 13 crore to 27 crore. Very good company. If you see the annual return, annual sales of the company sales is right now decreasing because of COVID-19. The visas activity and travel restriction happened, but now the Omicron and COVID-19 decreasing Omicron, so it is a very good sign, positive sign for the company. If you see the ratio here, these are the different ratio. Companies having 11.33, return equity 11.26. So these were earlier, you can see the earlier company were having the return equity 45%, but now it reduced to 11, which is showing that very good potential in the coming days. If you see the efficiency ratio, EBITDA margin 12 point, you can say EBIT margin 10 point, PAT margin 10.5, and similarly book value is also increasing 16 rupees to 44 rupees, which is a very good sign here. And you can see here one of the positive sign, company paying dividend. Okay, dividend payout is equal to 10.2 ratio. Okay, very good. Now let's check some financial of the company. Okay, so financially you can see here. So one of the positive thing here that the company's equity capital never change, never the management never change their equity capital, which is a very and super positive sign. Reserve is also increasing instead and having a lot of problematic situation in last 2 years, but company is still creating good reserves and increasing their reserve. Non-current liabilities is nothing. Current liability is 33 crore, and if you compare with the non-current asset is 6 crore and current asset is 83 crore. And in one of the positive signs, the company is increasing their cash position from 11 crore to 38 crore. So you can see the overall the company is having very positive balance sheet. If you see the pattern of the promoter pattern, one of the positive sign you will see that promoter increase their position 74.4 to 74.58 to 74.59 in recent 2 quarters, which is a good sign. CFI decreasing but not an impact. Who is buying? Who is buying? The promoter is buying the stock, and along with that non-institution also buying, means it is having a very good opportunity. The companies can move in the upward direction. Promoters having full belief on the company, and if the particular sales will increase. So how particular if you go into the scan last, wait a minute, if you check the particular scan, you will see the high increase in quarterly sale, no leverage, means no debt on the company, and consistent dividend paying. So I will hope that this particular video is helpful for you. Always check your advisor before buying a stock. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.